It's not hard.
Oh, it's not hard? You're doing a really good job.
I'm not falling anymore. Look.
You guys are strong. Uh-oh, here comes Julia with a big snowball. You can't seem to get him, Juju.
I can't get him. Just help me over there. Because this noise is deep.
Uh-oh, she got you. Crash.
Let's try again.
Are you guys ready to go inside?
My hands are...
Yeah, I think our hands are getting cold and our hair is getting wet.
Look. Look.
All right, guys.
I'm not ready to go inside.